I just got these banana muffins out of the oven. You can still see the steam coming off of them, and I'm gonna show you how to make them. Preheat the oven. I've got some bananas that really need to be used, so let's make some blueberry banana muffins. I am going to add my bananas into a large bowl. This one really is in desperate need of use. It's almost too ripe. Do you believe in too ripe of a banana? I know some people use them even when they're all totally brown, but this is a good style too. It's just spotted. Take a potato masher and mash it up. It's okay if there are some chunks in there, but ideally it would be mostly mashed. Then I'm gonna add in some sugar, add in some oil, add some baking soda, as well as some baking powder, some salt, then add some flour and mix everything up. I love how few ingredients there are in this recipe. Then add in about a cup of blueberries that have been washed and dried. And gently mix those in. You can use frozen blueberries if you want. It does sometimes change the color of your batter. So if you want white batter and the blueberries to look very separate in the batter, then go with fresh blueberries. Then I like to use these silicone molds to line my muffin tin. Then I use a 3 tablespoon cookie scoop to add my batter to each of the cups. If you have any leftover blueberries, you can add some to the tops so that they are extra pretty. Make sure you give them a little press so that they stick to the batter well and they bake in. Add it to the preheated oven.